Hello class, this is your teacher Mr. Lucero and we're going to continue classes with our book Insta English Starter. So we're going to work on unit number 4, page 64 and page 65. Well, in this part we're going to start with vocabulary number 2, landscapes features. Okay, now here we have our vocabulary and here we have a picture. So what do you have to do? Easy. You are going to match the vocabulary words with a correct picture. Okay, with a correct picture. For example, okay, sorry. First, listen and repeat. Let's practice. Okay, beach, forest, island, lake, mountain, river. Okay, this has been our vocabulary according to this picture. For example, if I say number 1, what is number 1? Excellent. Number 1 is beach, not like Cerro Azul Beach or Miami Beach, etc. Let's continue with number 2. Excellent. Number 2 is the forest. Number 3. What is number 3? Yes, number 3 is number 6. All the place, the island. Number 4. What is number 4? Here is number 4. The mountain. Number 5. It's a lake. And number 3. It's a river. Okay, this is number 3. A river. So look at the pictures. The beach. The forest. The island, number 6. The lake, number 5. The mountain, number 4. And the river, number 3. This is part of our vocabulary. So, listen. If we look for example of beach, okay, Cerro Azul, Asia, Lobitos, okay, there are many beaches. Forest, example of forest, no ideas? Okay, island, you can see many islands, no? But sometimes you don't know the name. Lake, like Titicaca Lake. Mountain, like for example Machu Picchu. And river, like Cañete River. Perfect. That's the idea. Now let's continue with number 2. Let's continue with activity number 2. In activity number 2 says listen and repeat the words in the box. So here I have another box. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Ice, sun, snow, trees, water, waves. So what are you going to do? Listen, check their meanings and write them in the corresponding box in an activity 1. So as you can see here, there are some places in which we need to word. No, you need to write the correct word. For example, what is ice? What is sun, snow, trees, water, or waves? So you are going to listen, okay?
Unit 4, Track 45, Activity 2.
Ice, sand, snow, trees, water, waves.
Okay, listen. So this is the the same words as you listen from me. There's no problem. So, let's see here. What is number one? Number one. Number one. What is number one? Well, not exactly number one. No, let's focus on this part in this place. So, what do you think is that one? It's the border or the shore, no? Sun. Excellent. Sun. And here, the sea. Okay, but there is no sea. Water. Okay, sun, water. And here, what's this? No, what are these? Trees. Perfect, trees. And here, for example, surfers loves these ones. Excellent. Waves. Waves. Let's continue here. What is this? There are two choices. Could be ice or snow. Ice or snow. And the last one, what do you think is the last one? It's the same, no? Ice or snow. Perfect. Now you have the vocabulary number one and the vocabulary number two. Now let's continue with activity number three. Choose the correct words. So it depends, could be one or the other. No, it's a reading activity. We're on a beautiful island. Let's start at the beach. Look at the sun or look at the waves. Could be sun, no? It's an island. Sorry. Let's start on the beach, no? Okay, on the beach I can see sun and waves. Okay, let's continue. They're really big. Feel the white trees, sun. Okay, let's stop. They're big. The sun is big or the waves are big? The waves, no? Here. That's the idea, no? Look at the waves, they're big, really big. Feel the white trees or the white sun between your toes behind the beach. White trees? No, the trees are green. Sun, white sun. Between your toes, no? Behind the trees. There is a forest. There are some waves or there are some trees in the forest. Of course, some trees. What's that behind the forest? It's a river. Let's follow it. There's a lake. And the water or the waves are really cool. Look, the water. There are some ice, there's some water on the lake, and there's some snow and water over there at the top of the mountain. So, opinions. Excellent. Look, there is some ice on the lake. There's some snow over the top. Over the top of the mountain. Okay, class, what do you have to do? It's very easy. Well, I haven't written anything, but you know what's the answer. So, if you wanna practice, you can listen to this audio and go check in your book. If you don't have a book, you can get in some information from this video. Number three, sorry, next activity, I'm sorry. Reading number two. Read and listen. What is a tropical islands? Tropical islands. Let's see, give me a second. Much better. Tropical islands. Is it cold and wet outdoors? Are you bored? Here's a special place for a winter weekend. Now let's see. And here is the audio. No, You are going to listen the audio. In class you are going to read, so you can get ready for this activity. Pay attention. Let's see. It's not working.
Unit 4, Track 46, Activity 1. Tropical islands. Is it cold and wet outdoors? Are you bored? Here's a special place for a winter weekend. When it's cold and wet, Tropical Islands is our favorite indoor place to spend the day. It's open all year round, 24 hours a day. There are some hotels and a campground. Forget the winter here. It's 26 Celsius on this indoor tropical island. Leave your grandparents on the beach with a book. Tell mom and dad there are shops to visit and there's a rainforest to discover. But don't tell them that there are some insects there. For your baby brother, there's a children's club with activities all day. And for you, are you brave? Check out the turbo slide on the water slide tower. It's 25 meters high. Finally, remember this is a trip to the tropics, so bring clothes for the beach.
Okay, class, this has been our reading. So get ready because I'm going to you are going to read in class so you can practice and you are going to answer this question. What is tropical islands? No, you need to tell me. Okay, class, we're going to continue on next page. Okay, on page 65, but we're going to check it in a different video. Thank you very much. See you.